Having trouble with your T-Mobile REVVL 6? Restarts can solve common issues like app freezes or slowdowns. There are two main restart methods: soft reset and force restart. A soft reset, or standard restart, reboots your phone normally. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds, then tap Restart on the screen. This closes background processes and clears RAM. If your phone is completely unresponsive, try a force restart. Press and hold both the power button and volume down buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the phone vibrates and restarts. This cuts power to the system and forces a reboot. Both methods are safe and won't erase your data. Safe Mode is a diagnostic tool that helps identify if a third-party app is causing problems on your T-Mobile REVVL 6. In Safe Mode, the phone starts with only essential system apps enabled. To enter Safe Mode, first power off your device. Press and hold the power button until the T-Mobile logo appears. Release the power button and immediately hold the volume down button until Safe Mode appears in the corner of the screen. If the issue disappears in Safe Mode, a third-party app is likely the cause. You can then exit Safe Mode by restarting your phone normally and uninstalling recently installed apps one by one to find the culprit.